Guys, this is David with Relic Arms and Custom Engraving. Here with a quick video today with something really cool that is not really new to everybody. I know there's been some videos already put out, but it's new to us. We've been waiting on it to get here, and thought we'd just do a quick unboxing video to share with our viewers. Something we've been excited to get our hands on and try. So without further ado, let's get into this box and see what FedEx brought us today. Anybody want to take a guess? We have got the CANIK TTI, and this is the version that comes with the optic. So this thing is sweet. Very nice packaging here. Locks on the latches. Turn this where you can see it. Very nice packaging. Comes with a sleeve with all your manuals, literature. Very nice. Got the optic stuff. Get into that here shortly. Man, this packaging is just very cool. Very nice. Right off the bat, this texture on this grip is amazing. And I know this is not totally new to everybody on YouTube. Like I say, it's new to us, but I wanted to just share a video for my followers who may have been waiting to see it. So we're gonna get this out on the range soon. And comes with a very cool packaging. Tools, cleaning kit, extra spring. This is probably the performance spring. Very nice holster. So this is not going to be the full review. This is just a quick unboxing. I just wanted you guys to see how nice the packaging was. Very nice case. So you guys let me know if you want to see some more videos of this thing when we take it out to the range. Like and subscribe, like and comment. Just let us know what you think. I know there's been, if you follow YouTube, you know there's been some people that have reported some failure to go into battery issues on certain loads. So I'm anxious to do some experimenting with the different spring combinations, the recoil spring that is, and see what kind of results we get. But that's pretty much it for today. I was just excited to get this in the shop and open it up and get my hands on it. It is a beautiful piece by Taran Tactical in joint venture with CANIK. So appreciate you guys watching, especially to all my subscribers who were originally with us from Mercer Outdoors. Continue to follow me on Facebook and YouTube and everything. I really do appreciate you guys. So if you want to follow us on Facebook, that's Relic Arms and Custom Engraving. And you can also go to our website at relicarms.us. Got some really cool stuff over there. Custom engraving work. Check us out over there. You'd love to hear what you think, and if you guys got ideas. Got doing custom magazines, all kinds of different designs, laser engraved, different colors, multiple colors, camo patterns and different things. So lots of cool stuff to look at over there. So short and sweet video today, like I said, but I appreciate you guys watching. So I hope you guys have a blessed week. This is Monday, so we'll start off the week right. So I appreciate you guys. You guys have a blessed day, and I love you. You have a great one. Bye.